Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Suzuki GSX-R600 Supersport. This bike is in beautiful shape and it's got really cool upgrades. Only 15,000 miles, one owner, beautiful metallic blue and white. It's got a light smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, brand new tires, an awesome sounding Yoshi pipe, frame sliders, rear fender eliminator. It's got the seat cowl and the rear seat. This bike is the one you've been waiting for. Middleweight, super sport, beautiful condition. Price to sell just $59.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.